Cameron promises 7-day NHS by 2020. All hospitals in England will provide a truly 7-day NHS by 2020 under a future Conservative government, David Cameron has said. At the party's Spring Forum, Mr Cameron said that more hospitals must provide top-level treatment at the weekend, starting with emergency care. In a wide-ranging speech, he said his party's message to various sections of the population was, "We're with you." Labour said Tory plans for extreme spending cuts threaten the NHS. It has put the health service at the forefront of its own election campaign, with leader Ed Miliband promising on Friday to cap the amount of profit private firms can make from the NHS in England. 7-day NHS. Speaking at the Forum in Manchester, Mr Cameron warned the figures show patients are more likely to die if they are admitted at weekends. According to the Conservatives, official studies suggest mortality rates for those admitted on Saturdays and Sundays are 11% and 16% higher respectively than for those admitted on Wednesdays. While Mr Cameron is praising hospitals already providing top-level weekend services, he says coverage is often patchy, with some key resources not up and running and key decision-makers not always there. Hospitals across England, he says, should be expected to offer full-level services at the weekend, particularly in accident and emergency, and in supporting urgent care services such as diagnostics. Mr Cameron said, illness does not respect working hours. Heart attacks, major accidents, babies, these things don't just come from 9 to 5. With a future Conservative government, we would have a truly 7-day NHS. Already millions of people can see a GP 7 days a week, but by 2020 I want this for everyone. To be the first country in the world to make this happen. This, he says, will reduce the anxiety for patients and help the NHS to meet the growing demand from an aging population. During his speech, Mr Cameron also reiterated a number of pledges ahead of the general election, including no tax on the first £12,500 of earnings, no 40p rate until earnings reach £50,000, the creation of 500 new free schools, the building of 200,000 starter homes, 3 million apprenticeships being made available, a referendum on whether or not to remain in the European Union. On the eve of the campaign proper, David Cameron has come to a city with no Conservative MPs to talk about a subject Labour claims as its own. An odd choice. Tory strategists insist not. Not far from here, the Conservatives hold marginal seats such as Bury North. Mr Cameron's hopes of returning to Downing Street hinge on keeping those and winning others. This Spring Forum is about fighting back against Labour on the NHS. Polls show a clear, large consistently for Ed Miliband's party on the NHS. It is the foundation stone of Labour's campaign. But the Conservatives are desperate to chip away at it with promises of protected real terms increases in funding and an extra £1 to be in a year. The Conservatives are committing to providing full weekend hospital care in England, in line with the NHS's own 5-year plan. The big question of course is where will the money come from, but this is about politics. This is an attempt to try to neutralize the NHS and enable the Conservatives to return to what they want to be talking about,